This is our best-selling bamboo recipe box. You'll see that this particular one doesn't have anything printed on the lid, but you can get all sorts of things laser engraved on the lid if you like, and some pre-printed stuff too. But you can have like your wedding anniversary and all sorts of different things included on the lid. This is 100% sustainable bamboo. It comes with some handy dandy recipe card dividers. Fits standard cards like that. This comes with a shelf, so while you're cooking you can prop your recipe card up and look off the ingredients as you cook, and then just take it off. So it's a handy little shelf. There's no hinges showing. Kind of hid them away a little bit. And you'll also notice that the bottom is also bamboo. So it's 100% sustainable bamboo, meaning that there's no false parts to it. It's super durable, and you're going to really love it. Oh, also, let's just show you. It comes pre-packaged in a nice, fancy Cookbook People box.